Alright, here we go. Late Night Subterfuge box break number 695. Playbook, courtesy of 643boxbreaks.com. Here we got Jose and Todd, Peanuts. Mike, Mac, and Taz. Sounds like a rap song. Got Warren. Mike got Gem and Stinker. Jose and Mac, 3 darts. Taz and Taz, 6 darts. Some more Taz, some Mac, some Warren pressured Jesse in the buy in the last 2 spots. We have some Peanut, Boney's in there. What? So, free darts first. You have 5? 2, 3, 4. You have 5. Okay. My bad. Did I? Yeah. Jose. Double 19. What ones did you need again, Taz? And Mac. Single 8. And Taz. 17 and 20. Hey, single 20. For your free dart. And 6 more. Double 5. Hey, well, that takes care of your 20. Double 20. Triple 20 total. Now we need a 17 for you. Single 8. Single 12. A single 17. Single 11. You know I'll never pull it for you, right? Oh. Get to live again with the floor darts. And, oh. It's a 7. Not a 7. Well, you got a little closer to your full clear. And Mike's first Gem and Stinker. If I can ever scissors on it. I don't know what that is. Oh, right. It's a stinker. So there's 2 left, and I know one is a good gem. I can't remember what the other one is. This one is a Pen Pals dual autograph. Jack Campbell and Jamie Alexiak. Of 99. Not too bad. Not too bad. I was bidding on a quad one of those the other day, but I lost. And finally, here's our box. And again, 816. Not too bad. I like those Pen Pals, for sure. So, thin pack. Reasonably thin, I guess. Doesn't look like a double. No, that's it, Dan. Got a dual rookie class booklet and 2 other cards. Is first card going to Peanut and the Edmonton Oilers. The Nuge base out of 249. And I may have forgotten to mention we're on 9s for this break. Oh, very nice. Well, Mike, you're going to be glad you didn't get Minnesota and that you got Calgary. For this Sean Monahan autograph. First draft sticker auto. Some of these are hard autos. This one is a sticker. That's going to hit you a double 9 for your pile too, bud. And we got a booklet. Oh, I pulled this one already. And now you're going to wish you had Minnesota. This one's going to have to be random between Taz and the Booklet Master with Minnesota. It is Michael Granlund, 3-color, and Joachim Nordstrom, single color. Dual rookie class booklet. Taz says need. So I'm going to give you both a 999, whoever wins it and whoever don't. And we're going to roll for it. So as always, left is black, right is red. The wheel shall decide. Taz, I'd be afraid you're rolling against the Booklet Master. So good luck. You need a red, Taz. And it's black. New Jersey, black. The Booklet Master wins again. There you go, Jose. Thank you guys for your support. You're going to have to start picking up Minnesota too, Taz. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll